everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of what we are buying on sale. And I have this little haul, which is just some pork chops because they were 77 cents a pound. I do have a Safeway haul coming, but I couldn't order the pork chops on the website for some reason. So I went in store. This was $2.50, and then this pack was $3.29. They were 77 cents a pound, I believe. And then I did get these fries for Noah because he's been craving fries. They were $3.50, so a grand total of $9.29 on this little haul, which is not bad, especially for all the meat. And look at all the savings, you guys. Great deal. These are going to go into the freezer. And once I get my Safeway haul that comes in, I will show you guys what I got, and then I will put a Kroger haul, I think, on Friday because I get 5 times the gas points on Fridays. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, here is the rest of my haul, and I paid $32.09. So the bacon was $2.77 a pound, and this was just around 8 something, under $9 each. And then the Nutella was 67 cents a jar, limit of 3. I got 3. I don't usually buy Nutella, or I haven't bought it for a really long time, but the kids really enjoy it when I do buy it. So this I had $1 off, which made it $5.49. These were $3.99. They're our favorite tomatoes. And then the cabbage was 9 cents a pound. I think I paid 3 something for both. And then the romaine hearts were $3.49. So the only thing that wasn't on sale was the romaine hearts and the tomatoes. Everything else either had a coupon or was a really mega deal, great deal. So 67 cents for Nutella is unheard of. I'm very happy to see the prices going down. Even though we're trying to go through our bacon, I got more at under $9 for a huge pack. And we really like this thick cut bacon. And then the cabbage is always good to have. I still have half a cabbage in my fridge, but it lasts forever. So these are on the smaller side for sure, but they're still great. So super pleased and super happy with buying the sales at Safeway. Let me put the pork chops. You guys can add another few dollars to the total. So this was what was on sale at Safeway this week. If you guys have the same deals, run and get them. That is a fantastic price for pork chops and an unheard of price for Nutella. I've been couponing. I used to do extreme couponing for many years, and I've never seen it that cheap. So fantastic. All right, I'll show you guys. I believe I'm putting my Kroger haul in on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so I will show you that when it comes. And yeah, I'll catch you in just a little bit. Hi everyone, I have my Kroger haul. I spent 40 and 31 cents with taxes and fees. I had this delivered. So first thing is I got a bunch of these frozen fries. They were $2.99, and these are the big 32-ounce bag, which is a better price than Walmart.com, and my kids already got into them. So I got 4 of those. The cranberry juice was $2.19. The Kraft Ranch was $1.25 or $1.29 on special. Some bananas, iceberg lettuce, I think was $1.79. And then their mozzarella cheese, well, not their mozzarella, their cheeses were $1.29. 5, so I grabbed 5. Some lunch meat for $4.99. Some tomatoes for $2 and something. And then the strawberries were $1.99, and I needed some disinfectant wipes, and these were like $1.30 something. Draw my discounts, and then some hamburger buns because we are making hamburgers today. So just a little over $40. This is what I got. Shop the sales and just a few necessities. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along if we get anything else this week. All right, you guys, so I have a Walmart haul, and I think it's going to be the last haul of the week. I paid $39.49 for everything. I did get some things for the bathroom. I got this whole wheat bread, these little cucumbers, which we really like. The mini cucumbers at Walmart are $1.97, and they're pretty nice and crisp. Some potatoes, and then I did order one beef and bean burrito, but they didn't have it, so they substituted with 2 cheese and beans, which is fine. I got some hash browns with onions and peppers. I eventually want to do like some breakfast burritos in the future to do like freezer meals. And so I got those. And then I got the sour cream. I ordered, yeah, the 16 ounce. That's the one I ordered. I did order some different tortillas, like the Great Value brand. They didn't have any. They substituted these. These were still $1.98. And then they substituted the little street tacos, which were $1.98, which is not a fabulous deal, but those are my favorites, so I'll just keep them. These looked really good. The cookies and caramel bars, they look delicious. And then these are always just, okay, go ahead and take them. My kids are already wanting them. These are always just $1. I ordered the Great Value, like dark chocolate with almonds, but they were out. And then whenever I scrub my bathrooms, I always like to use Comet, like the powder. And I saw they had the foam bath cleaners, so I want to give this a try and see how that works. And then I did grab some disinfectant wipes from Kroger, and then I just grabbed these as well till they go on sale at Costco. And then some toilet bowl, like blue tablets to have. So just under $40. This is what I got. And I think that's going to be my haul, the last haul of the week. If you guys enjoyed these hauls, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye-bye.